Alberta.
Hey Alberta.
Hey Alberta.
We want to bring a little happiness to your day. Baby girl, here we I'll bet you.
So for the month of March, we're going to be doing a free windshield giveaway contest.
All you have to do is follow our page and get a quote, and you'll be automatically entered to win.
Are you the boy? Yes, he's a good boy.
Come on, Wayne. Work with me.
She's usually really cuddly. Says everyone with a cat.
Hello, people.
He's a great dog. You should get one.
Here's a cute little kitty. Not that it has anything to do with anything, just thought you'd like it.
Mwah.